Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi Q8 with its key. First, locate your key fob. To unlock your Audi Q8, simply press the unlock button on the key fob. This action will unlock all 4 doors and the tailgate. To lock the vehicle, press the lock button once. The key fob operates effectively within a range of about 50 feet, offering convenient access to your vehicle. Sometimes the key fob battery might be low, or you might be in an area with signal interference. In such cases, you can use the integrated mechanical key. Find the small release button on the side of your key fob and slide out the hidden key. Then, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Insert the mechanical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This ensures you can always access your Q8. What if your key fob battery is completely dead and you need to start the engine? Don't worry, your Audi Q8 has a clever backup. Simply place the key fob directly against the designated area on the steering column. This spot is usually marked or indicated. With the key fob in this position, press the start/stop button as you normally would. The vehicle's immobilizer system will then recognize the key, allowing the engine to start. To ensure your key fob always works, it's good to know how to replace its battery. The Audi Q8 key fob typically uses one CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, gently pry open the key fob casing using a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces upwards. Snap the casing back together, and your key fob will be ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.